Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Malaysia, sa McDo. McFlurry nila hindi halo. Fries nila malungkot.
What can you say about the chicken?
Very tender. Sauce maanghang. Like a lajat. Zamray. Sorry ko. Sorry na ako. Mama, nangakulat. Bato Caves matapos namin umakyat ng 277. Oh my god, yung buhok ko.
May picture na to ah. Jay, smile. Habang nagbibideo.
Ako na magtutugtog para sa ano. Hi guys, we're finally back together matapos akong iiwan ng magulang ko at iaban ko na. Bumili ako na. Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Malaysia Resort World at bumili ako ng chocolate xiaolong bao from Din Tai Fung with my own grown-up money from my grown-up job, guys.
Breathtaking reviews.
Bumisita sila sa bahay ko kasi sabi ko, uy, tara, swimming tayo sa castle ko. So, pakita mo naman yung house ko. So, this is where I live. Here. Kakabalik ko lang galing Philippines. Bakit ka umiikot na papasan sila? We're here at my palace. I will give you a tour. So, this is the walkway. We're gonna go to the van because we're heading to my other palace.
Where is it?
It's in... Wait, guys.
Because I have...
Chinatown in Malaysia, and we bought boba waffles.
Jay, come and try it.
What
Jay,
it looks like.
come
It's
here.
Oreo. It's Oreo flavored. Jay, come here. Let's try it. I'm gonna have the first bite. Mukbang, which? Mukbang.
Thank you.
Have a bite.
Try it, try it.
Have a ball.
Ah.
Kada kakain ka